In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a smart or rich filter in Jira. Let's dive right in so you can streamline your project management effectively. To get started, you'll want to navigate over to the Jira apps. Once you're there, find and click on the option labeled Explore More Apps. This is where you'll be able to find and add extensions that enhance your Jira experience. Type Rich Filters into the search bar and proceed to install it. The Rich Filters app will be a key tool for creating more dynamic and informative dashboards by allowing you to filter data in smarter ways. After installation is complete, you'll see that Rich Filters is now listed among your apps in the left panel of your Jira interface. Go ahead and click on it to open. This will bring you to the main interface for managing and creating your rich filters. The next action you need to take is to find and select the Create Rich Filter button. Clicking this will begin the process of setting up your filter from scratch. You'll be prompted to provide a name for your rich filter. It's beneficial to choose something descriptive and relevant to the type of data you want to track or analyze, so take your time to decide on a name that makes sense for your project goals. Once you've named your filter, the next step is to select an existing Jira filter to serve as the base for this rich filter. By doing this, you're anchoring your rich filter to a set of established criteria, ensuring that you are tracking the right information. Once you've selected your base filter, click on the Create button to bring your rich filter into existence. Now, within your newly configured rich filter, you'll need to locate and navigate to the Smart Filters tab. This is where you will add additional layers of logic to refine how your data is displayed and analyzed. Inside this tab, look for the Create Smart Filter button. Give your new smart filter a descriptive name and click Create. Just like naming your rich filter, the name here should reflect the specific data or insight this filter is designed to extract. After setting up your smart filter, click the Create Smart Clause button. This feature allows you to add specific conditions to your filter. You'll want to give each clause an identifiable name and then input the JQL query for the clause. For instance, you might use something like priority in £1 and status open to focus on high priority open tasks. An optional yet highly useful feature is the assignment of a color to the clause. This coloration feature can visually distinguish different clauses, making your data more intuitive to navigate at a glance. If you need to refine your filter even further, feel free to add multiple smart clauses. Each one can help you slice and dice your data in various insightful ways. And that's it. You have successfully created a smart filter in Jira, complete with specialized clauses to tailor your project management needs. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.